Welcome to the exciting world of cloud computing. Your ultimate destination is to learn DevOps, cloud and CI/CD solutions. Get ready to level up your skills and dive into the world of innovative technologies. This is Vivek. I'm an AWS certified solution architect professional. Today, we are going to discuss Amazon Lightsail. Amazon Lightsail is a cloud-based virtual private server (VPS) service provided by Amazon Web Services (AWS). It offers a simplified way for developers, businesses, and individuals to deploy and manage their applications on AWS infrastructure without requiring extensive knowledge of server administration. Key features of Amazon Lightsail include 1. Virtual private servers. Lightsail provides pre-configured virtual servers that come with a fixed amount of compute power, memory, and storage. You can choose from various instance sizes based on your application requirements. 2. Easy setup. Setting up a Lightsail instance is straightforward, and you can launch a server with just a few clicks using the AWS Management Console, Command Line Interface, CLI, or API. It's designed to be user-friendly, making it accessible to users without deep technical expertise. 3. Integrated services. Lightsail offers a range of integrated services and tools to enhance your applications. These include SSD-based storage, DNS management, load balancing, content delivery network, CDN, managed databases, and more. These services can be easily integrated into your Lightsail environment. 4. Network and security. Lightsail provides a secure networking environment by automatically managing firewall rules, network isolation, and data transfer. It also offers built-in protection against common threats like distributed denial of service, DDoS, attacks. There are several advantages of using Amazon Lightsail for your cloud infrastructure needs. Here are some key advantages. 1. Simplicity. Amazon Lightsail is designed to be user-friendly and easy to set up. It provides a simplified user interface and pre-configured server images, making it accessible to users without deep technical expertise. You can launch a server with just a few clicks and start deploying your applications quickly. 2. Cost-effective. Lightsail offers a predictable pricing model with fixed monthly rates for your virtual servers, data transfer, and storage. This helps you plan your budget effectively without worrying about unexpected costs. Compared to other AWS services like EC2, Lightsail is often more cost-effective for smaller workloads and applications. 3. Scalability. While Lightsail instances have fixed specifications, you can easily scale your application by upgrading or resizing your server. If your needs outgrow Lightsail's capabilities, you can seamlessly integrate with other AWS services to achieve higher scalability. 4. Security. Lightsail provides built-in security features to protect your applications and data. It includes automatic firewall management, network isolation, and protection against common threats like DDoS attacks. Lightsail also offers secure data transfer and storage options to ensure the safety of your information. 5. Monitoring and metrics. Lightsail provides basic monitoring capabilities, allowing you to track the performance of your instances. You can monitor metrics such as CPU utilization, network traffic, and disk performance. Lightsail also supports alarms, which can notify you of any unusual activity or performance issues. 6. Integration with AWS ecosystem. While Lightsail is a simplified service, it still integrates well with other AWS services. If your needs evolve and require additional functionalities, you can easily connect Lightsail with services like Amazon S3, Amazon RDS, AWS Lambda, and more. 7. Global infrastructure. Lightsail instances are available in multiple AWS regions worldwide, allowing you to deploy your applications closer to your target audience for reduced latency and improved performance. Amazon Lightsail is suitable for a variety of use cases, especially for small to medium-sized projects, personal websites, and lightweight applications. Here are some common use cases for Amazon Lightsail. 1. Web hosting. Lightsail is an excellent choice for hosting static or dynamic websites, blogs, and content management systems, CMS. You can easily deploy popular web applications like WordPress, Joomla, Drupal, or custom websites using the pre-configured server images provided by Lightsail. 2. Development and testing environments. Lightsail is an ideal platform for creating development and testing environments. You can quickly set up virtual servers to test your applications, experiment with new technologies, or develop and deploy prototypes. 3. Application hosting. If you have lightweight web applications, APIs, or microservices, Lightsail can provide a cost-effective and scalable environment for hosting them. You can easily deploy your applications and configure the required resources based on your needs. 4. Personal projects and blogs. Lightsail is suitable for individuals who want to host their personal projects, portfolios, or blogs. Whether you are a developer showcasing your work or a blogger sharing your thoughts, Lightsail offers an accessible and affordable hosting solution. 5. E-commerce websites. Lightsail can be used to host small e-commerce websites or online stores. You can leverage the integrated services like managed databases, content delivery network, CDN, and load balancing to enhance the performance and security of your online store. 6. Custom applications. If you have custom applications with specific resource requirements, Lightsail allows you to configure the instance size, storage, and networking settings accordingly. It provides flexibility and control over your application environment. 7. Student projects and learning. Lightsail can be a valuable resource for students or learners who want to experiment with cloud infrastructure. It provides a low-cost platform to practice deploying and managing applications without the complexities of larger AWS services. 8. Remote desktops and VPNs. With Lightsail, you can set up virtual desktop environments or virtual private networks, VPNs, for remote access to your applications or secure connectivity to your network. These are just a few examples of how Amazon Lightsail can be used. Its simplicity, cost-effectiveness, and integrated services make it an attractive choice for a wide range of projects and applications, particularly those with lower resource requirements. Thank you. Please subscribe for more topics.